Welcome back to Great Day Washington. The following segment is sponsored by Eastern's Automotive Group. Sometimes the smallest gesture can make a really big impact on someone. In this month's Road to a Better Community, we meet Carolyn Cole-Rodenburg, an 18-year breast cancer survivor who's dedicated her life to educating women about early detection and providing much-needed hope during a tough time. These pink baskets are beautiful on the outside, and inside they're filled with love and hope. These are Bosom Buddy baskets, the brainchild of Carolyn Cole-Rodenburg, founder of the IIIB Foundation. Carolyn says the idea for these pink baskets came to her in a dream after she found out a friend had recently passed from breast cancer.
And in the dream was a magazine that had an article about her, and it had in the middle of the magazine a cake popped up in the middle of the magazine with 3 pink birthday candles. So I said I had to do something with that dream. So I decided I felt like we needed to give every woman going through breast cancer a basket full of comfort and resource items that make you through the journey. And all these items are things that you don't know that you need until you need them.
Items like a lanyard to hold up your surgical drains in the shower, disinfectant wipes, a stress ball, a water bottle with a bent straw for when you can't sit up. Even Luke, the adorable seatbelt cushion that Carolyn created herself. But what's the most requested item?
Oh, well, you know what this is. This is the back scratcher. And it's the #1 most loved item because you're itchy and everything, and you can't lift your arms a lot. So one time I had a woman tell me, yeah, I loved it. I even turned my light on and off, because I couldn't reach the light, when I was going to bed. That's what I used. So
obviously, it's more than the basket. It's the education and the remembrance and the support and everything. But the baskets are really that tangible thing that people see right away, right? What are some of the reactions you get when these are delivered?
Oh my gosh. So we had a contractor gentleman come in and help us decide how we're going to, build out the garage space. And he went down into the basement and saw the basket. So we're down in the basement. He came back upstairs and he started to cry. And we're like, what's wrong? And he said, you won't believe it, but my wife got one of these baskets from you a year ago. And this weekend is our 1-year anniversary and we're going away. And you have no idea what that basket did for my wife and for him.
The IIIB Foundation relies solely on donations. But their biggest fundraiser, the Pink Tie Charity Ball, is in jeopardy because of COVID-19. But stepping up to help is Joel Bassam and Eastern's Automotive Group, who understands firsthand how such a small gesture can make a big impact.
I mean, it's easy to be impressed. I think everybody either has someone who they've known with cancer in their life or is one layer of separation away from someone who has. And it's amazing to see what they've taken something that's been so that it's affected their life so much and turn it into a way of helping others in such a sweet and kind of caring way that gives people support that they really need when they're going through something like this. My aunt just finished her battle, and that was the first thing we did was put together a massive care basket of all the things that are going to help her that she doesn't know she's going to need yet, but when she needs it, it'll be there ready to go.
And Joel has a special surprise for Carolyn and the IIIB Foundation. I took a little video for you. I hope you could hear it. And they wanted to give you a little something special.
That's right. We wanted to surprise you guys by kicking off what I'm sure a lot of people will be touched when they see the story by donating 15 baskets worth of these goods to 15 amazing women who are going to go through this and get out on the other side, and wanted to really show our support for what you guys are doing.
That's so sweet. Oh my gosh. That's so sweet. That I can't even tell you. I'm at a loss for words, and I never get at a loss for words. And everybody at Eastern's Automotive, we wanted to thank you so much for the donation that you made for 15 Bosom Buddy baskets that we're going to deliver probably this week. And we also want to thank you again by this is the card that's going to go on the outside of the basket for the lucky ladies who get one. And we're going to put your name on the bottom here with love from Eastern's Automotive Group. Thank you so much, Joel. Your donation will be making a difference to a lot of people. Thank you.
Isn't that amazing? And the pink candles are to put on your friend's birthday cake to remind them to get their mammogram. For more information on how Eastern's Automotive Group helps organizations on a road to a better community, head to WUSA9.com/bettercommunity.